horizon or light scatter, and are in widespread used for the transmission of television signal. Satellite radio, located up in the sky and therefore generally signals one long distance that would not be possible in a signal link on Earth. Mountains and atmospheric condition. Troposcatter. It scatters radio waves using the field of troposphere. Yung microwave radio,
Click mo ako.
Balik yun.
Telegraph.
Ito microwave, no rin yun. Balik mo niya mo, balik niya. Ano presentation?
Pag lumipit na din, hindi na din.
Number 1, microwave radio. Halimbawa yung may nose yung nasa itaas. Tapos,
Standby.
may dalawang station. Yung nasa itaas, kapasa niya yung signal sa mga station. Tsaka, yung anak ko. Yung mga
Sige pa, sige pa.
Satellite radio. Ito yung nasa itaas ng Earth. Halimbawa, yung microwave, papasa niya yung signal sa satellite. Tapos yung satellite, siya na lang bahalang pag-spread sa signal. Yung troposcatter naman, kapag tinamaan parang kapag tinamaan yung troposphere, doon parang mag-spread yung signal.
Tayo, sabi mo kita satellite, yan ang mag-spread.
Yan ang maging troposcatter.
Hindi ba? Mas dito kaya kita kung may spread na lang yung satellite kaysa kay troposcatter. Parang lang mag-balance.
Telegraph. Communication that depends upon the transmission of electrical signal, which are arranged to some definite code, readily translated into language form by the operator of the machine. Ito yung instrumentong ginagamit sa barko para sa kanilang komunikasyon.
Komunikasyon.
Telegraphy.
Element of telegraph. Telegraph key. An operated instrument for transmitting coded electrical impulse on a button sa telegraph.
Mr. Pogi ka pa?
Tama niya.
Hindi, masabi kita.
Electromagnetic.
Pa mag-report kayo, mamaus kayo.
Which convert electrical signals.
Smile ka naman dyan, pampabena dyan. Smile.
Ito yung parang speaker.
May hindi ka ano to.
That's my boy. Marquisielo. Smile. Parus parus.
Paros niya mana. Oh!
Yaman na, oh! Tagay. Electromagnetic which and regular practically in a circuit.
Wala na ba